Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at home and are studying for your upcoming examination. To assist you in your studies, I have made this tutorial series which will help you understand different legal concepts. Today's tutorial is about a very important concept in legal theory, that is legal rights in wider sense. We have already studied about what are legal rights and what are different kinds of legal rights. So today we are going to discuss about legal rights in wider sense. So let's begin. Detailed analysis of legal rights in a wider sense was made by Professor Wesley Hoffel. He was professor at Stanford University and then at Yale University. He simplified the meaning of rights and propounded that there can be different meanings of term right, such as right, liberty or privilege, power and immunity. Further, Professor Hoffel defined 8 jural relations: rights, liberty, power, immunity, duty, no right, liability, and disability. He divided these 8 jural relations into pairs which cannot exist together, which he called as jural opposites, and those which must exist together, which he called as jural correlatives. This interrelationship between these jural relations is depicted by Hoffel in a diagram which you can see on your screens. Thus, Hoffel analyzed that every aspect of legal right has a definite correlative and a jural opposite. Jural correlative of right is duty, liberty or privilege is no right, power is liability, and immunity is disability. Similarly, according to Hoffel, jural opposite of right is no right, liberty and privilege is duty, the jural opposite of power is disability, and that of immunity is liability. Now let us understand these concepts in detail. The first concept is rights and duties. Every right has a corresponding duty. Duty and rights are two sides of the same coin, and that is why duty and rights are correlatives. Duty may be defined as an internal feeling of obligation against someone. For example, if X has a right against Y, then Y is under duty to respect this right, and that is why duty and rights are correlatives according to Hoffel, and they always exist together. On the other hand, the jural opposite of right is no right. The second concept is liberty and no rights. Liberty or privilege denotes absence of restraint. It is freedom of a person to act or refrain from acting in a manner he likes without being prevented by law. But that does not give him right, and he is not at liberty to interfere with rights of another. For example, X has liberty to voice his opinions on public affairs, but it does not give him right to defame another person. The correlatives of liberty or privilege is no right. The term no right here means that certain person does not have the right against another individual in a particular respect. For example, if an alien has liberty to enter a foreign country, the authorities of that foreign country have no right to debar him from entering the country just because he has liberty to enter. On the other hand, the jural opposite of liberty is duty. The third concept is power and liability. Power is defined as an ability conferred upon a person by law to alter by his own will the rights, duties, liabilities, or legal relations, either of himself or of another person. For example, power to make will or power to sue. According to Salmon, powers are of two kinds: public powers and private powers. Public powers are those which are vested in persons as an agent or instruments of state. This will include various forms of legislative, judicial, and executive powers. Whereas private powers are those which are given to persons who are not agents of state, and these powers are given to them in their personal private capacity. The correlative of power is liability or subjection. For example, the state has power to punish the offenders. That means the offenders have liability to subject to the exercise of that power by the state. The jural opposite of power is disability or absence of power. The fourth concept is immunity and disability. Immunity grants an exception to change any legal relations. It is exemption from power of another person. The correlative of immunity is disability. For example, a sovereign is immune from being sued in the foreign courts, which means the foreign courts are under corresponding disability to try the sovereign for any legal proceedings in their courts. Thus, immunity and disability are correlatives which go hand in hand. The jural opposite of immunity is liability. Thus, all these 8 concepts, according to Hoeffel, are interconnected, which gives a wide meaning to the concept of legal rights. So students, I hope you have understood the concept of legal rights in wider sense. In case you have any difficulties regarding this topic, feel free to contact me and I will try to resolve all your difficulties. In case you want me to make tutorials on any other topics which you have not understood, please contact me and I will do so. Thank you.